Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to delete your Zoho account using your web browser. First, go to deletio.app. There, you can find Zoho and follow the step-by-step instructions with me. Let's begin by going to https://accounts.zoho.com and signing into your account. I've already done that. Now look to the left menu and click on Settings. Scroll all the way down until you see the Close Account section. Next, click on Close Account. A confirmation process will start. Click Proceed, and then hit Next a couple of times to continue. Zoho will ask you to select a reason for closing your account. Choose one, then click Close Account to finish. Important: once you close your Zoho account, you'll lose access to all linked Zoho services and data. Make sure you've downloaded anything important before proceeding. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your Zoho account. Remember, once deleted, your messages, backups, and account information cannot be restored. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out deletio.app, where you'll find easy guides for deleting your accounts or downloading your data from different apps. You can also find your accounts using your email, phone number, or username, and check if your data has been leaked.